All right, guys, we're at 183 Ellington Road. Here is a view of the exterior. The roof looks like it's in good shape. We can see here vinyl siding. Windows might be an issue. They look to be maybe like the originals, but we'll see how they look inside. We do have a one-car garage attached with a covered carport. So far, the neighborhood is really adorable. So this is going to be very. That's cute. So as we come in the front door, we'll notice just beautiful hardwood floors, and they're the original. Looks like it goes throughout the majority of the home. Drywall, everything looks like it's in great shape, freshly painted. No evidence of any kind of moisture or leaking. We follow through into the living room. We come into the kitchen. So we've got some LVP flooring, small eat-in kitchen. Cute little kitchen here. It's functional. There's good space for everything with good pantry space here. And then off the kitchen is the one car attached garage. And it's a little deep. And there is a door here going out to the backyard. We'll get to that one in the next video. But so far it looks like a really cute little home. So coming in through the living room, we come to bedroom number 1. Again, with just the beautiful hardwood floors. Looks like maybe a his and her closet. Closet number 1. And then closet number 2. Not bad space. And following through, we come into bedroom number 2. Again, just beautiful hardwood floors. Decent sized closet space. I'm not seeing any evidence of any leaking or moisture or anything, which is wonderful. We come into the bathroom. Good porcelain tub, tile floor. And then here we've got closet space, closet number 1, and then closet number 2. And then going upstairs, just a really cute little loft. Carpet up here is in good shape, relatively new. They've got this kind of a seating area or a gaming area, and then into a small, it's a good sized bedroom actually, with its own closet. And so in these older homes, what the really cool part is they've got storage. You can see either door here. These are going to be storage, attic storage. So there's more. And then picking back up, we'll go down into the basement. So it looks like we may have had some carpet here on the stairs that they've recently pulled up. And then coming down into the finished basement. So they've drywalled this to make it a really good space, but they've left the beams up here exposed, which is really cool. This is just a sewer drain here, an access that we could get to. Have our we have our water shut off. We've got some updated Plex plumbing in here, which is telling me that they have paid attention and the house has been replumbed. Coming through, we should have more space. Yep, main gas meter. And then we'll carry this on through. Probably some unfinished storage, yep, underneath the steps. And then into a full bath. That's really nice. Power box, meter box. I mean, we could certainly dress that up a little bit and put a cover on it, but it's really cute. It's nice that there's a full bath down here. And then to the other side of the basement, now we'll come into laundry. So they've carried the flooring all throughout. We see here they did leave some of the basement wall exposed. It appears to be in really good shape. There isn't any evidence of moisture or standing water or anything. Come into the washer and dryer again. Updated plumbing, deep sink, furnace, gas-fired furnace. Main plumbing stack is already PVC, so that's already been updated. I can't tell you what a huge relief that is. All in all, this looks like an adorable home. And so now we'll head outside and take a look at the yard. So now we headed outside. We just went out the back door that was back through the garage. We can come here. We've got a really nice covered patio, indoor-outdoor carpet. This is a concrete pad. We come back and take a look. The backyard is all fenced in. It feels very private with a good storage shed here. So a small yard to maintain, right? Not too overwhelming, but you've still got enough space to come out and just kind of enjoy the outdoors. I hope the tour has been helpful, guys. All in all, it looks like a really cute home. If this is something that we would like to explore more, just please reply back and let me know. Hope you guys have a great day.